Okay, so for this class, there are two different types of projects that we're going to be using. The first one is called a Swift Playground, and the Swift Playground is primarily what we'll be using for our sandbox assignments in the class. And the reason for that is because it's a lot simpler, there's a lot less code, a lot less going on in the Swift Playground, so it allows us to really focus in on the simple things. So here's how you start a Swift Playground. I can go to Spotlight and type Xcode, of course, or I can use my app launcher and find Xcode. There it is. Either way works. And there are also a variety of other ways. Now, I don't want to create a new project. What I want here is to create a new playground from the file menu. Okay, and that's different than an app playground. An app playground is more complex. So we're going to stick with the blank playground, and I'm going to choose a location. I'll just put it right here on my desktop, and there's my playground itself right there. And then of course I can do things like print hello world, which is of course our first assignment, just to get that out there. And when I hit print or run that, you can see up on top there it's launching the playground. It's basically compiling the code and launching the emulator that emulates iOS. So it's preparing to run it. And this only takes a few minutes the first time you do it. And you can see that it does a little thing over here that looks kind of like what I typed. But if I click this little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, there is my console, which shows my output. So when I use print, the output of that comes out down here. And so if I change that to hello Bill and run it again, you can see that it changes the result there.